Have you ever wondered what makes Rwanda a unique travel destination? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey that will reveal the enchanting allure of this African gem. Rwanda, often referred to as the land of 1,000 hills, is a small, landlocked nation found in the heart of Africa. Despite its size, it is bursting with a rich history, distinctive culture, and an abundance of diverse wildlife that makes it a must-visit on any traveler's bucket list. Let's start with a brief history lesson. Rwanda has a tapestry of history that is as colourful as it is complex. From the ancient kingdoms that reigned for centuries to the colonial era that left a profound impact, right up to the country's rebirth after the tragic genocide in 1994. It's a tale of resilience and rebirth that is reflected in every corner of the country. But Rwanda is not just about its past. Its unique culture is a vibrant blend of music, dance and art, deeply rooted in local traditions and yet evolving to incorporate contemporary influences. Whether it's the rhythmic intour dances, the intricate imigongo art, or the powerful storytelling of its people, the cultural tapestry of Rwanda is as captivating as it is diverse. And let's not forget about Rwanda's most treasured inhabitants, its wildlife. From the majestic mountain gorillas that roam the misty slopes of the Volcanoes National Park, to the playful primates in the Nyungwe forest, and the diverse bird species that flutter around Akagera National Park, Rwanda offers a wildlife experience like no other. But what truly sets Rwanda apart is its commitment to conservation. The country is a shining example of how communities and conservation can coexist, with numerous initiatives that protect its wildlife while empowering local communities. Now that we have set the stage, let's dive into the top travel destinations that put Rwanda on the global tourism map. Welcome to Kigali, Rwanda's bustling and vibrant capital, a city that exudes a sense of energy and creativity. It's a place where the past and the future blend seamlessly into the present. One of the first things you'll notice about Kigali is its cleanliness. Known for its spotless streets, it's a testament to the community's commitment to the environment. There's a sense of pride here, a pride that is palpable in every neatly swept pavement and litter-free corner. It's a devotion to cleanliness that has garnered Kigali the title of one of the cleanest cities in Africa. But Kigali is more than just clean streets. It's a city that is pulsating with an exciting contemporary arts scene. Galleries, studios and creative spaces are scattered throughout the city, offering a platform for local artists to showcase their work. From vibrant murals that adorn city walls to innovative art installations that challenge perspectives, Kigali is a city that celebrates creativity in all its forms. In addition to its vibrant art scene, Kigali also offers a range of affordable accommodation options to cater to every budget. For those on a tight budget, the Discover Rwanda Youth Hostel offers dormitory-style accommodations starting at $15 per night. If you're after a bit more comfort, the Steptown Motel offers rooms from $50 per night, and for a more luxe experience, the upscale Ubumwe Grande Hotel, with rooms starting at $130 per night, offers breathtaking views of the city. Amidst the city's bustling vibe, there's a solemn place that stands as a stark reminder of its turbulent past, the Kigali Genocide Memorial. Here, the stories of the victims of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi are preserved, a poignant tribute to those who lost their lives. It's a place of reflection and learning, a place that reminds us of the power of resilience and the importance of peace. From the ashes of a horrific past, the city has risen with a renewed spirit and an unwavering determination to move forward. Today, Kigali is a city in bloom, a city that is continually growing and evolving, a testament to the resilience of its people. With its unique of history, culture, creativity and affordable accommodation options, Kigali is a city that surely leaves a lasting impression and deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. Next, we journey to the Volcanoes National Park, a haven for the rare and majestic mountain gorillas. Tucked in the heart of Africa, this verdant paradise is a testament to nature's grandeur and diversity. A part of the Greater Virunga Conservation Area, it's home to 5 of the 8 volcanoes in the Virunga Mountains, each with its own distinct personality, shaping the park's unique landscapes. But it's not just the volcanoes that make this park special. The real stars of the show are the creatures that inhabit its lush slopes, the mountain gorillas. Mountain gorillas are an endangered species with fewer than 1,000 left in the wild. Their survival story is one of resilience and hope, and much of it is thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists like Dian Fossey. For nearly 2 decades, Fossey lived among these gentle giants, studying their behavior, advocating for their protection, and fighting against poaching. Her work played a pivotal role in bringing global attention to the plight of mountain gorillas and establishing Volcanoes National Park as a crucial sanctuary for these magnificent beings. But the park isn't just a place for conservation, it's also a place for connection. Here you can embark on a thrilling gorilla trekking experience, guided by knowledgeable rangers who live and breathe this ecosystem. As you hike through the verdant bamboo forests, you'll follow in the footsteps of Fossey, feeling the same mix of anticipation and awe she must have felt all those years ago. And then, suddenly, you'll find yourself mere feet away from a family of mountain gorillas, their soulful eyes meeting yours, a moment of connection that transcends words. This intimate encounter is more than just a wildlife sighting. It's a profound, life-changing experience, a testament to the power of conservation and the enduring bond between humans and nature. With its stunning landscapes and unique wildlife, Volcanoes National Park is a must-visit for any adventure seeker. Now, imagine a serene lake nestled in the land of 1,000 hills. Welcome to Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is a hidden gem in the heart of Rwanda. This massive body of water, one of Africa's Great Lakes, lies on the border between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The lake is a part of the East African Rift Valley, a region known for its stunning landscapes and abundant wildlife. The lake is a hub of activities, offering something for every kind of traveler. For those seeking adventure, boating across the vast expanses of Lake Kivu is an experience not to be missed. Feel the wind in your hair as you skim across the water, surrounded by the lush green hills that give the region its name. For the nature lovers, fishing on Lake Kivu offers a peaceful retreat. The lake is home to a variety of fish species, some of which are unique to this region. Whether you're an experienced angler or a first-timer, fishing in Lake Kivu is sure to be a memorable experience. The lake is also dotted with numerous islands, each with its own unique charm. Exploring these islands is like stepping into a different world. From the idyllic Amahoro Island, known as the Island of Peace, to Napoleon Island with its colony of fruit bats, every island has a story to tell. Of course, one cannot talk about Lake Kivu without mentioning the stunning views. The surrounding hills, with their lush greenery and terraced slopes, offer a spectacular backdrop to the serene waters of the lake. Whether you're watching the sunrise paint the hills in shades of gold, or witnessing the sunset cast a warm glow over the water, the views at Lake Kivu are nothing short of breathtaking. Lake Kivu is not just a lake, it's an experience. A place where you can immerse yourself in nature, engage in thrilling activities, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone seeking tranquility, Lake Kivu has something for you. Lake Kivu's tranquil beauty and activities certainly make it a top pick for any traveler. Last but not least, we venture into Nyungwe Forest National Park, a primate paradise. This remarkable sanctuary, located in the southwestern part of Rwanda, is a testament to nature's grandeur and diversity. The park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, boasting over 1,000 different species of flora and fauna. But what truly sets Nyungwe Forest apart is its rich primate population. Home to 13 different primate species, including chimpanzees and colobus monkeys, the park offers an unparalleled opportunity to observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Imagine walking through lush green forests, the air filled with the chatter of monkeys and the occasional hoot of a chimp. It's an adventure that truly brings you closer to nature, and one you're not likely to forget. One of the park's most unique attractions is the Canopy Walk. Suspended 50 meters above the forest floor, the walkway offers breathtaking views of the park and its inhabitants. As you traverse the Canopy Walk, you'll find yourself at eye level with monkeys and birds, offering a unique perspective on life in the treetops. Nyungwe Forest National Park isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From the excitement of primate tracking to the serenity of a forest walk, it's an adventure that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or an adventure seeker, Nyungwe Forest is a place that will captivate your heart and stir your soul. Nyungwe Forest National Park is truly a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. So why is Rwanda a unique travel destination? Let's recap. We've journeyed through the vibrant city of Kigali, trekked the lush trails of Volcanoes National Park, savored the serene vistas of Lake Kivu, and marveled at the primates of Nyungwe Forest National Park. Each destination, with its distinctive allure, paints a facet of Rwanda's rich tapestry. Rwanda, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse wildlife, is truly a unique and unforgettable travel destination.